All right. Hopefully the sound should be better now. I think the sound should be much better with this fix. So all right. So hopefully the sound is better now. It seems like it's back to normal on my end. I apologize to everybody again. I had this glitch. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so I had this glitch before, and it's a software issue, I think. I'm not sure, but or maybe hardware, I don't know. All I know is if I restart the computer and reset some settings, it goes back to normal. Apologize again. I apologize. Anyway, not really too much. I mean, not much happening on NQ anyway. So TPT discussion. Yeah. So what happened at Take Profit Trader is, as I told you guys, I already withdrawn $315 minus the 20% profit split, which left me with $252.40. Good morning, Ali, and good morning, Great Dane. So I left with $4,500 on the account, but the website glitched out, and I wasn't able to. To type in the withdrawal amount. You know, I can actually show you some screenshot here. So this was a screenshot. So I had more than I had like another $4,500, and this was already being taken. So so this here was already being wired out, and this was a glitch. I couldn't even type in the correct amount. So what happened after that is they corrected the amount like this. So then I was able to see the full amount, but the problem is that I already received the $315, and it still was showing up on the account. So I was asking support, if I type in 4,310, which is $2,249, should that be okay? And now support said that I shouldn't do anything because there is a glitch in their system. Something was happening, I don't know. There's a glitch, and they're gonna fix it. So this amount here should be changed to $4,500, not $4,815, because I already have it. But so far they were helpful, but I was still not able to withdraw this from the account. So that's the issue. Robert, good morning. I invite a good morning, Joreget. Hello. But they were helpful, absolutely helpful, and hopefully I will get it. So all I need now is so I the $2,250 is the one that is missing still, but I think it should be okay. I think it should be okay. I mean, I think that they also admitted that there is a glitch in the system. Anyway, so I choose to close the account, take the $2,250 plus I got the $252 already. So that makes it $2,500 basically from Take Profit Trader. Even if I'm not going to get it today, it's no problem. I'm gonna get it next week, I guess. But it's $2,500. Flushy, hey there. It's $2,500 from Take Profit Trader, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer about $1,000 or $1,500 to a personal account. I think I'm gonna trade it with 1 or 2 micros there, and I'm gonna be enjoying the rest of the profit. So mostly around $1,000 is going to personal use. And I'm gonna trade about $1,500 ish with 1 micro. Now the goal is not to make $1,000 on that account or 2,000. If I can make, for example, $200 or $300 on that personal live account, then I'm going to just withdraw it. That's it. So every $200 or $300 of profit, I'm just going to request a withdrawal on that personal account. And I'll see how far I can get in the next month or 2. I don't know how far. That would be the goal. But as for safety, I'm putting away $1,000 from this $2,500 from Take Profit Trader. Obviously, I'm already building up the new accounts with Take Profit Trader. So yeah, Kirk. But anyways, besides that, I'm already working on 3 new Take Profit Trader accounts. So the goal is obviously to have more and trade with them. But this was my first withdrawal, and you know, it was a 150K account. So if it would be a 50K account, obviously the safety threshold would be smaller. But you know, $2,500 overall, you know, I take it because it took me a bit of a time and energy to get there with Take Profit Trader. I need to get some money out, and I'm going to work on the new evaluation accounts anyway, or test accounts, and this money is going to be channeled to a private account. You know, that's it. If I blow my private account, which I'm not intended to because I tried to stay with 1 or 2 micros, then most likely the same thing would have happened at Take Profit Trader, I think, sooner or later. And I want to know, I want to feel that that money was really on my account and not just a number on a demo account on a prop firm screen, you know, regardless of which prop firm. So I want to see it on my personal account. I want to get that feeling, you know. Thank you, Kirk. Yeah, the cheat code is the same at Take Profit Trader too. You're gonna take a short. I'm not gonna do anything with this here, and I'm gonna show you exactly why. Because there's just no level that I like. There is a, I mean, you know, maybe a short would be good. Look at this. We have a so we have a bullish order block here, or demand zone right here. Beautiful. This is just beautiful right there on the 15-minute chart. I just love it. It's like 55 points lower, PM session low basically. So I like it. Now here we could be considering this as a possible Asia high. So let's just go with that. Hey, Dark Cloud. Let me give you an applause if I would have my soundboard started, but I haven't. Let me give you an applause. Congratulations, Dark Cloud. Let's go. Yeah, I'm going in full throttle with MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader, by the way. Just saying. Shorts to 22,135, but waiting for signs of reversal. Yeah. So up here, 18 points to go to take out Asia high. Be careful with the shorts. But this level down there at 98.50, I love that. That's just, this is too beautiful. This level down here is just too beautiful. And I'm going to show you why. This is the 15-minute, yes, I know. But we're going to go down to the 5-minute and check out what's happening there. So, liquidity taken. Bullish market structure shift. So, that happened. And this here makes this a bullish order block / demand zone. Okay. How do you detect? It's simple. It needs to fit some criteria. For example, we have a fair value gap here on this candle. So this has not been repriced. A bearish candle pushing down to pick up liquidity, right? And the next bullish candle is changing structure here with an up close candle. So not just a wick, but a complete up close candle above this structure, above the swing high. Now this here, these two candles, this is the 15-minute chart. So yesterday, 215 and 230 candle. Whoa! Dark cloud. I have food today as well. Thank you.
Thank you. You have been an awesome support.
I'm gonna be able to eat today as well. Thank you so much. $6 for a meal. Sorry. So I'm gonna be having some really good lunch on Dark Cloud, and I'm gonna save up $4 for tomorrow. So actually, I'm gonna save it for Monday. Thank you, Dark Cloud. All right, so bullish structure shift here, and this is these two candles, these two bearish candles are the order block. Orders are being placed, and then boom, pushing higher. So that's it on the 15-minute. Now, usually at this zone, there's still lots of orders or leftovers. And this is why I think, if not now, but maybe later, if price, decides to calm down, it should be, this is why it should calm down to pick up orders from this area. That is what I'm hoping for. Obviously, I'm not going to jump into a short because it can just go up, take out that Asia high, and who knows what's it going to do. So I'm just going to wait. But this is just a 15-minute chart, so we have to look around a little bit further. Okay, so this is the order block from the 15. Let me correct that. What? Now everybody thinks I don't have anything to eat. What? 2 times? Is that 2 times?
Lunch on me.
2? Is this another 20? Jesus. Dark Cloud, man. Okay, so let's just be clear. Dark Cloud deposited.
Lunch on me.
And deposited. Is this? Did you really want it to send? 2? Anyway, that's 8 days of food. I can eat for 8 whole days. Lunch. Naomi, good morning. Bowser, sorry, I forgot to say hello. All right. Mr. Hey, Dark Cloud, you can make a chargeback from YouTube, or I can send it back on PayPal. No problem, man. But hey, you can. Don't worry. I think you can charge back on YouTube. Pinion Mendez Israel. Hey, good morning. I'm okay. I'm fine. I now have something to eat. But hey, you went to $4,500 profit today. What the heck, man? Dark Cloud. Minus 10. Dude. $4,500 profit. He's on a Pro Plus account with Take Profit Twitter. Congratulations. Anyway, let's check the 5-minute. Dark Cloud, by the way, just saying, take a chargeback. YouTube sends you right back, or I can send it to you back. No problem. Don't worry. Let's see. Take Profit Trader, yeah. Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures, for me, is absolutely on the top right now. Even though most of my payouts were not from them, but still, the support is absolutely awesome in both prop firms. Is it me, or is this week the market? It's both. no, really. The market is yeah. It's the Trump market, as they say. It's the Trump market. So at these times he usually be sleeping, but who knows? Oh, we will. Thank you, Dark Cloud. John D, good morning. Hey, 230. It was 30 points. Yeah, this drop was like a lot. And I mean, I was watching the open, but then I had to go. That's why I wasn't streaming. And but hey, German financing, it may cause some volatility today. Maybe. Peep Slayer, good afternoon from sunny Dubai. Oh, that's awesome. You love to listen to me. All right. You know, all you have to do is just when you go to sleep, put on your earphones and just watch one of my streams and just go to sleep. You did 14K? Jesus. All right, I know not everybody likes the clapping. Sorry, Tommy me. But one more clap to John. 14K. Rob, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, right now here it's minus, I mean, in the morning it was minus 12 degrees Celsius. Now it's about minus 5 or 6 degrees Celsius. It was very cold both yesterday and 2 days ago. Like, wow. Okay, anyway. I like this. I took a small short on a small short on an Eval. Looking for that order block. Man, he's going against me. I'm looking for that order block down there. Maybe it's a little bit too much on the downside. Can I get down there to the 100? I would be okay with the 100. It's on an evaluation account, so not a funded account. Don't worry, Tommy me. Yeah, 9 degrees, yeah. I want to. I would really love to go to Cali for yeah. Or Las Vegas. Oh man, I want to go there. I would really love to go there. If you guys would like to have me, it would be my honor to be with you there on the DGen Con. One of my bucket list dream to get to Las Vegas and lose some money. Actually, that's no joke. I mean, I really want to go there. Obviously, with a predetermined risk. Like, I'm gonna take the cash. I'm gonna give it to the what's it called, to the cashier, and I'm gonna say, I want to lose this money. Please help me how to do it. Here you go. I want to do it. Options. Oh yeah, have to be careful with that. Oh yeah. Oh really? Oh, and you feel like freezing? Imagine what's happening here. The cars are, everything is frozen outside. You're freezing up. Yeah. The registration for trades sinker on my friend Discord. I haven't seen that. I was just reading about it. I haven't seen it. But here's the trade, by the way. Maybe it's a little bit too much, I know. Maybe I'm asking for too much risk to reward here. You know. In Celsius, right now, hold on. Right now it's getting warmer. Hold on. So look at this. This is the weather right now. During the day, so look at this, at lunch hour, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., it's gonna be 6 Celsius. But tomorrow, just like this morning, it's gonna be negative 10 degrees Celsius. Like in the early morning, 5 or 6 a.m., it's gonna be negative 10. But but look at that. Hopefully, in the next couple of days, it will be a little bit warmer. So yeah, the country right now is freezing. Now this morning it was negative it was negative 12 degrees, so now it's getting warmer. So so definitely a little bit cold. So it's for copy trading futures. Had a similar tilt on Apex yesterday. Oh really? Oh, Pipslayer. Yeah, I mean, I was a little bit happy that I wasn't really at the charts, because like I know I might have made some stupid decisions on that huge drop. But yeah. Want to buy a new Eval? Let's go. There's the best cheat code out there. No, I want to. I was actually thinking maybe I should go with more 150k accounts. You know, just in case something goes sideways, I can still get the 50% of the safety net, which is like not a bad money for me at least. But hold on, let's see what's happening here. Okay. Hit the like button. Good morning, Waldo. Yeah, already I was swimming in one tick of profit, but now that you ask, we're down in drawdown. So yeah, so what I was thinking, and I told you guys, I love this level down there. I do love that 15-minute order block. 98.50. I fell in love with the level, but just to make sure, you know, there's the round number of 100, and that's always an important level, the round numbers. So that's why if I'm short, and I am short, I'm going to be taking early profit above 100. So I'm not going to wait for 98 or whatever. I don't even know. Where is my profit? 100. And when I'm going to switch to 5-minute here. All right. So obviously it can still go higher, but early profit taking for me is, oh, and by the way, that's what I totally forgot. It's not a beautiful bullish order block or demand zone, but look at this on the 5-minute. The thing is, it only took out a swing low here. So there was a structure on the 5-minute. This is the 5-minute chart. There was a structure, and this bearish candle swept this small minor, I would say minor swing low here. So that makes it technically valid, at least in my book. This is technically a valid order block, yeah, I would say. And then it shifted here, and then it also shifted here. So two market structures shifted upside there, here and here. Two bullish shifts, which makes this bearish candle yesterday PM session 335 an order block or demand zone, the same thing. So that makes it even more interesting. Like we have that right there. Technically it's valid. Not the most beautiful one. So it's like the unwanted child of I don't even know. But you know, this is technically valid here. And so that is why I think you have a potential, if it gets there and takes out this order block here on the 5-minute, it could continue to the 15-minute down to, well, actually here it is. That's the level. Yeah, this is a short trade here, but only risking a little bit here. Fresh Delgado asking, what's the word? NQ sweep Asia high. Yeah, and exactly that is what is my concern here. Asia high is so close, and we still have London open very close. So the 173.75 as Asia high could be an issue. That's my problem with this short. That's the only problem. If it goes up, takes it out, I'm still going to be watching for a possible short trade. We're going to be looking for it. Yeah. It's the middle child. Exactly, Ollie. It's the middle child. Like that 5-minute order block is the middle child that like nobody really loved that much. It always gets the worst conditions, not getting any too much love. Nobody really likes it, you know, or him or her, I don't know. And you know, it's just there, left alone. Yeah, we are too crazy to trade NQ in London session, that's for sure. We should trade gold. I haven't looked at gold. Haven't even updated the chart. Let's look quickly on gold. I have to look into my super futuristic indicators from the future of what are they saying. Previous day low and previous day high. Okay, there you go. From the future. Let me see, do I have it? Oh, I think I have it. Okay. No trade on NQ. And okay, there could be a short on gold based on the futuristic supersonic indicators, but it's not valid yet. So anyway, let's get back to NQ. Let's torture ourselves a little bit more, because I mean that's why we're here for, right? To torture ourselves with NQ in London. You have to, you need some kind of a need for you know, we all need to suffer. That's why we're here. ChatGPT said, okay, holds above on next target could be 220. All right, man. All right, man. Well, for I don't know. I think ChatGPT. I mean, obviously, ChatGPT is good. Maybe I should ask Grok, you know, the 3.0 version right now. But ChatGPT does has a point, or have a point. If it really can hold above 150, then I agree that first of all, Asia high should be taken out promptly. And well, we do have a fair value gap above that. So, I mean, look at that, by the way. Interesting level. Let's zoom out the 15-minute candle here. The high of this this one is at 173.75. Exactly the same. Oh my god. I don't want to be in a short now. I don't want to be in a short. High of this candle, 73.75. 74.50. So this has taken it out, but doesn't matter. The problem is we have a very, very, very strong and juicy fair value gap up here on the 15-minute chart. Oh my god, this makes everything different now. This is gonna make everything different. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay. Now I'm losing faith in this short position, to be honest. But anyway. That's exactly relative equal highs up there, including that area. So oh, definitely, yeah. Yeah, it can do that. I like that too. That function is good. I think that function is just awesome there. Oh, look at that. Let's go. Please drop. I thought the London Open is going to bring it down, but it's a little bit tricky. It picked up liquidity on this gap here. That's the problem. Oh. Yeah, I was afraid of this. It's gonna bounce, and it exactly did that. Bouncing up there. It's just bouncing. Come on, what's it gonna do, I wonder? Oh, sorry. Wrong window. PM session, AM session, London session is, yeah. I'm starting to see this pattern as well, like the New York PM sessions and also the Asia sessions, by the way, are getting a little bit cleaner than the London AM session and the New York AM session. So getting much cleaner. Man, if this one trades or closes below this gap, I think I don't know. I think I should take a partial at least, because obviously it can turn around. I don't really want to take a partial because it's such a small position, and you know, it's not fun taking a partial here. And yesterday it was glitching out as well. Actually, what I'm gonna do something different. Okay, so there's a partial right there. Final TP right there. Okay. So this is a free trade now. The problem is the profit is too small, but anyway. Let's see if we go down to that area. Went over the 30% rule by 7. Does this mean I will be denied? And no, Steam. That means that so for example, you went over, so the maximum loss limit is $2,500, right? That's your plus 100, but that's a different thing. So times, that's $750. If you're, yes, so if you went over to $757, now what does that mean? For example, if you go with $2,650, just an example. Actually, sorry, 2,560, because that will be your maximum loss limit once you reach above the 2,600, and you know what I mean. So that means, oh, you're absolutely good. So just go for $2,650. That's it. Go for that. Or $2,540. You know what I mean. So $2,640 should be your profit goal. If you can, that's it. And if you reach that, you can request the payout and you should be okay, right? That's it. You have to trade until you reach a little bit higher in profit, and your 30% will be according to that. So that's it. You should be fine. You should be completely fine. Hey, no wonder why, or Natasha, sorry. Beautiful name, Natasha. Where is the other Natasha? We have beautiful lady names here. We have Natasha, we have Naomi, We have Vivian. Who else? The funds I deposit trade away 4 days paying withdrawal just for it. Oh, okay, that's good to know, Tudor. Thank you for the information there. Yeah, I'm out break even. I think it's good that I took a partial profit down there. Yeah, what a bounce. Oh, mom was absolutely happy, and I'm gonna take her home today, by the way, because she had to get another treatment. And I have not forgot the flowers, because when I'm coming home, and it's actually I wanted to do this as a surprise for you, actually, Natasha and everybody. I'm gonna buy her like I'm gonna show you. Come on, where is it? Potted flower, right? That's how they say it. Potted flower, yes. So there's a very nice place, very good place, nice flowers and everything. And when she gets home, I'm gonna get her a really nice potted flower, and I'm gonna take a bit. But I also I would like to, because she likes the there's a very good flower shop, and I would like her to choose one, because I know she likes it. So it's gonna be a potted flower most likely, and I'm definitely gonna make a picture, and I'm gonna say to her, this comes from the community. No, this comes from Natasha, actually. And I'm gonna put an extra little bit of there, and it's gonna be a beautiful one. Thank you. You went to rule? Yeah, that I know. It's fine. 757 Steam. That's why I said you should continue to trade until you reach at least around 2,640, and you should be okay, Steam. You know, just to make sure, like, trade until $2,700, and you should be absolutely fine. You know, that's it. Everything is cool. Everything is cool, Steam. Is it possible to get a TGIF? Yeah, why not? I mean, it's possible. But first, I would like to see some kind of a sweep down there. Now, this was a strong bounce, and we still have that fair value gap up there, and that's why I think, you know, it picked up liquidity. It could be the Judas swing or the fake move. You know, look at this. Picked up liquidity from this area. Could be heading up there for the relative equal highs. So I'm not really sure, but you know. Your birthday today, Natasha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. You know what? Natasha needs an applause. Happy birthday, Natasha. And Reza is here. Dark Cloud, don't worry about your name. Reza is here. All is good, all is good. Everything is great. I know this week was a little bit upside down for me. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure how I'm going to do today in New York stream, because I'm going again. I'm taking my mother home again. I'm just bringing her in and out of the hospital all the time, but I don't know how the afternoon is going to be for me. I mean, for you guys in the morning. Reza, good to see you. Yes, the 30% drawdown. I know. So if the drawdown was not exceeding, like if it was 757, then he's good. Just trade until $2,650-ish, and Steam would be okay. Oh. RT. Yeah, RT, I understand. Yeah, some people don't really like ICT stuff, so it's understandable. But hey, no worries, RTI. You're still welcome anytime. You know, I'm not just trading especially ICT, so not just ICT, but I mean, that's why I have my indicators as well. And also, there is a possible sell scenario. Here, at least my indicators are telling me that there could be a possible sell scenario, but I don't think I'm going to take that. Hey Maggie, what's going on? All right, let's go. Is this going lower or not? I wonder if this is gonna go higher and touch that fair value gap or not. Oh yeah, the 3 a.m. opening price. Now let's see, it was like here. Yeah, it was like here. $137 would be interesting, and we'll be watching the 320. Art, hello, welcome. Good to see you. What the forex is here? Hey, 230 and 330. Okay, sorry, not 20. Will be. Well, I'm gonna put a line here as a reminder. You know, I'm really curious about how this is gonna go. I think it can, yeah, you know, it can go higher. Yeah, we have some news, right? We're having the the flash the PMI numbers in a few seconds, and so PMI numbers all the way. Let's see how this is gonna react. All right, not too much movement right now, but let's see. It's going down again. Is it gonna be a displacement? Man, look at this drop. Oh, now I feel a bit of a FOMO. Unbelievable, man. You know, if I would have kept my stop loss at the original price, I could have survived it, I think. But anyway, too late for that. Too late for that. Look at that. The 22-100. As expected. I mean, the partial profit was a good thing, but moving to break even. Look at what it did to me. If you're not a good person, you can trade. Yeah, so I agree, CK Trade. Lots of strategies, and understandably, a lot of people hate ICT or smart money, and I understand. I mean, no issue. There are literally like thousands of strategies out there because lots of strategies has a good edge. At the end, as I said, it always comes to risk management, and that's it. Exactly, exactly. So, bookmap is showing it's heavy. Let's go. I'm moving the market. I have a button here. No, I mean it's no problem. I mean, Artie was always he's nice. So no issue. I mean, I had no problem with anyone saying ICT is a scam. I totally understand, and I acknowledge everybody's opinion. It's not a personal issue or anything. Everybody has their own opinion. Look at that. Repricing the 1 minute. I wonder if it wants to go back down to that. To that zone, or is it want to, now that it's taken out this one, which could be considered as a possible Asia low, if it wants to go back up there and take the relative equal highs. What a bounce here, that's for sure. Wow, look at that, nice bounce. I mean, how far is it from the fair value gap? Like 40 points. I mean, it can go. It repriced completely this gap. I don't know how far it's going. The diplomatic. I am. I am. Daily trend line last Thursday. We could test that possibility. Yeah, we could. We could. And that's a strong level up there, by the way. So that's a strong level. Yeah, I understand CK trade. So yeah, everybody has a different approach. So that's it. Nothing bad about it. I'm also, if I see a good strategy based on indicators, I might even trade these indicators much more heavily. I mean, for example, it also shown a beautiful short entry, by the way, up here. And look at that. So it goes nicely. Let's see what it does. Is it going to try to test the zone? I'm going to eat my hat. Or I don't know what I'm going to do if it goes down to the 100. The FOMO is going to kick in real. The real kick from the FOMO. All right. Let's see. Interesting indicators, really good. Never tried it. The take profit trader code is up there. It's the same. Tom Sabo up there. For except for Tradeify, I don't have a code, but you can click on my link. But the same code Tom Sabo goes for take profit trader, MyFundedFutures, Apex, Bulenox, day traders. I don't know what else. I have a few codes here and there, but I mean the same code. You can use the same up there. And thank you for considering and supporting. What is going on here? Is it going to bounce again, or is it going to try to take the zone? Quite interesting. I mean, obviously we still have a lot of time. Yeah, Asia High could be next. Again, the only thing I have here is this bullish order block or demand zone. If we go by supply and demand, then this here is definitely an interesting area. It's 98 down there. So we'll see. I have two indicators. Interesting. Yeah, because I had okay, so there was a delay here. Let's see how far it will go. Dart Trader says looking for Asia High. It might be. I mean, we do have that beautiful, beautiful fair value gap up there. Looking absolutely astonishing. Okay, pushing. What's it gonna do? We do have another number in about less than 5 minutes, right? So that's gonna be also interesting. Oh, up for us. Okay. All right. Let's see. Martin is long here. Yeah, we're getting closer to that 330 area. I'm gonna be watching this closely. Yeah, more news is coming in as well. I'll be watching and waiting what this one wants to do. Could be picking up liquidity in both ways. But seems like it wants to. I mean, on the 15-minute, it seems like it picked up liquidity nicely. And equal highs up there. So yeah, you have every chance for it to go. Equal highs here, fair value gap up there. You know, this zone might not be enough for price to drop down. If I would be in my original trade, I would still not be at my take profit level. So let's see. If we see a displacement, I think it's a clean signal that it could be, you know, shifting to the upside. But I'm gonna wait. It should be pushing up now. Numbers are coming out in 1 minute. So we'll see the move. Mr. Tabelka, good morning. Pare, good morning. Yeah, I'm just, you know, watching price action. I had a trade earlier. I took early profits, which was good. But now I just don't know what to do. How do you guys trade gold? It seems that it's consolidated a lot before. Yeah, so well, especially at, I mean, look at gold. Wow. It does do a lot of consolidation. But also, it can move nicely in Asia. It can move really, really nicely in Asia session. All right, just a minute. I have to make a quick phone call until we wait for the numbers and the news. So just a minute. Hello, I'm back. All right, look at that push. It's the 3:30 hour, and we have the news. So the news actually pushed it back up there, getting closer to that high. I'm a little bit tempted to jump in there, but I don't want to chase it really. So, but looks good. What's the high up there? Up there in the 70s, I guess. I don't know. Well, it seems like for now that it just swept these levels and it might want to take liquidity from that 15-minute CB up there. I'm sorry. Yeah, CB. That's a sell side imbalance. $169 could be. Yeah. 2K on natural gas. Hey, shenanigan. That is great. I heard that it moves fairly quickly. I heard that it can move very quickly if there's a little bit of volume in the market. So let's see, what's it doing? What's it doing? The 50-minute created a nice pin bar. So that makes me wonder again if it wants to go down and, you know, just go down and go for that zone. Who knows, right? Which was down 02, somewhere around there. All right. Would be beautiful if it reaches Asia and continues. Yeah, I know. And a little bit it looks like a bullish flag. Looks good. That scares the shit out of you. Still not approved. I heard people were waiting for like 8 or 10 days. And that's why I was asking Rez. I don't know why it takes them so much. I mean, usually what they told me is it takes about 2 to 7 business days to be approved. But some people were saying that they are waiting for 10 or 14 days now. I don't know what the hell is going on. That's why I was asking you as well. I mean, I guess you wrote the support already, or did you ask them? Because obviously that's a little bit frustrating, I know. Hmm. Could use secure 2.5 for trade 5. Hey, let's go. Yeah, all you have to do is just, yeah, flip them with micros. That is awesome. 2.5k with Tradeify. That's nice. No, I'm not. I'm just waiting, Steve. I'm curious if this one is gonna push to that Asia high with the fair value gap, or I don't know. This looks a nice bullish flag here. I was in a short. It got stopped out at break even. I was aiming for a an order block down there on the 15 minute. Actually, I can show you. Where is the 15 minute? Here. So I was aiming for this order block down there, and now we have this huge 15-minute bullish pin bar. Now, usually these kind of pin bars likes to get filled, you know, at least to 50%. Now, if we're going down to 50% of that, it could take the zone, but that's why I'm a little bit scared to jump into a long position. I'm trying to wait this out, you know, to see what it does. Hopefully nothing special. But this does look like a bullish flag. On 60-minute chart, there is a bull flag. Let's see. Oh yeah, it looks like it. So yeah, it does look like it wants to pop into that fair value gap. That's why I'm a little bit like 50-50 here. And since my previous trade, well, technically it would be valid still, I guess, because my entry was somewhere here. My stop was somewhere around here. I would have been still in, but I have a feeling that it's just, you know, it's not finished. Some risk off, maybe. I don't know. Maybe. 126 could be a nice entry long. 126. Yeah. That or down there at 21. The problem is if we get down there, we're getting close to the zone again. You know, if we get close to that zone again, what if it wants to tap down below the 100? I don't want to get, I feel like I'm getting into an analysis paralysis here. I don't really want to overcomplicate this. I'm just gonna stick to my original theory that it might go to 22,100. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm still watching this on the 15 as well. It can be anything. So I'm gonna wait this out. It looks like a very nice bullish flag here. Yeah. You're long since 120. 180. Oh yeah, that's a good target up there in the gap. It really wants to go. It really wants to go. Pivot at 174. Okay, then that's why it's so important. It also confirms that why is it so important for price to get up there. Okay, so now it broke this structure. It can quickly go down, go up now. Take the kill zone high, maybe. Could be a target. Gold, nothing. Okay, nothing there. Nothing there, nothing there. Interesting move here. Oh, the VWAP. I forgot to put the VWAP up here. Interesting. Look at that. The VWAP. Yeah, it just got there. Let's see if it clears or not. No bottom, we're going down first. 30-minute, let's see. Uh-huh. Let's see what you mean. We still have time there. Also, the 30-minute looks like this very strong bullish pin bar. Usually I don't really work with the 30-minute, but it's interesting. I'm also watching gold. But damn, look at this. It might just go up there. Look at this. It might do that. Up to the 60s, maybe. I wonder if it will do. What's the high on the mini? 59.50. Could go. Could go. I mean, this was definitely a structure shift, but you know. I wish I would have a proper entry, but I'm not jumping in here. The 5-minute shows a very, well, it's not a very nice one, but it looked like an order block up there, but it's not really. So all is left is the high. Crude is falling. Yes, exactly, Bowser. Oh, thank you, Natasha. Thank you. See you later. Thanks for being here. Sorry, I wasn't checking the chat. I wish I would have a nice entry, but I mean, this looks good as a continuation to pick the top of this range, but you can just, you know, turn around. It definitely is difficult to pick the side here. We have pre-market open soon. We're already in the macro. I think, yes, we are. So I don't know. I don't even want to scalp this right now. Refinements have made to your overall approach to trading risk management. What refinements have you made to overall approach to trading? Yeah, Hurst, that's a good question. You know, the refinements I'm still working on, and I always say to myself in front of the mirror, although sometimes it's very hard to deal with it, is to trade less, to take less trades. That is one thing I'm looking to do. So if I see a very good, you know, drawn liquidity level that price starting to move towards, then if everything lines up, I jump into a trade, right? Obviously. But maybe I give a second chance for the trade. But obviously, one of the biggest refinements I'm still working on is to take less trades. So I don't want to take like 5, 8, or 10 trades in a session, because I think that is just draining your energy and everything, your mental awareness, and it physically, it's really, you know, gets you tired to focus on all those trades. Instead, you know, I'm trying to look for like the better opportunities. I don't know how to put it. So less trades is definitely one of the things I'm looking to do, or you know, go into this direction. Definitely less trades. Yes. Sometimes I'm naked. You know, depends on the mood. You know. 5 minutes for the past 30 minutes. 5 minutes. Wow. 2600. Jay, what the heck you doing there? Yeah, but still 5 minutes, man. Wow. You have the guts. You know what to do. My wife is named down. All right. Well, I pretend I never saw that text information. I'm just gonna pretend. Man, what's this gonna do here? Gold is also trying to pick up some momentum to the upside. Not really. I'm starting to feel like it might want to go for that 60 level. Not sure. Still have a few minutes until pre-market. What is your perspective on win rate? It seems to be a common statistic by traders, especially newer ones. Do you believe win rate is actual thing? Arbitrary holds no weight. Well, Earth, I think, you know, the win ratio, I mean, it's important for sure, but you know, you don't really have to, I think you don't really have to stick to that number all the time, because obviously you will be having winning streaks and losing streaks. So looking at the win ratio is great, but you know, when you have like 100 trades documented or journaled, even on a prop firm's website, whatever, you know, you have to take a lot of trades to have some kind of conviction of your win ratio, you know. So if you're new or don't really trade too often, then win ratio is not something that you should be looking too much. Risk to reward ratio is something different, I would say. You know. Bravo, hey there, good morning. Yeah, well, so far Bulenox was always, I mean, they were paying. I mean, which prop firm is not legit or legit? You know, these prop firms are not regulated. Is Bulenox paying? Yeah, they're paying out people, and support was always good. So I would say that, yeah, Bulenox is legit, obviously, and no issues there. They don't have any kind of social media presence, which I know it sounds weird, but I think it's a good thing. I think it's absolutely a good thing. And that's why I said back in the days last year that I think when Apex disabled their Discord, I think that was one of their best decisions to do. And I really hope that they are not going to bring back their Discord. Because usually every prop firm's Discord, successful traders or successful retail traders or prop firm traders are not really spending too much time in the Discord, right? I mean, that's the reality. Most likely the ones who are new or don't really understand how prop firms work, or obviously they have questions, they are hanging in there in the Discord. And obviously also the ones who are losing or not good traders or just likes to spread FUD. Those people are usually in the Discords. And the successful traders, not really. They don't really hang around in the prop firms Discord. Yes, they do, but not that much. And I would say this is the reason, one of the reasons why some prop firms, or almost like every prop firm's Discord channel, is filled with negativity, sometimes even toxic people, people spreading FUD or whatever. And it's just not good to read that. You go into those Discords. I also sometimes read that. It's not a good vibe there. I cannot say any single prop firm's Discord that has a good positive vibe, because there's always some kind of issue. Somebody is always having some negative experience, negative thoughts, which is normal. But I think these issues should be directly being told to customer service. Anyway, it's my opinion. So Bulenox doesn't have these issues. I think they're doing good. They just fly under the radar and pay out people. And that's why I like them. Yeah, careful with the 5-minute. Wind ratio and the burst confidence are metal language term. Yes, exactly. There you go. Almost at the pre-market open. Let's see. Yes, but what are your thoughts on Top Step? Not that they are denying people and closing accounts. My thought on this, very good question. I haven't talked about this. My thought on this is that it was around the corner. So I was expecting it, and not just me. I was expecting that Top Step is going to start to deny people, because obviously they also had some glitches in the system, in the payout policy, so they were bleeding out money because there was still no consistency rule, but some individuals or some people took advantage of some windfall trades, like full porting with 15 minis on 150k, and you use full porting a 200 point move or whatever, and they were withdrawing the money. Now that is not going to be a thing from now on at Top Step, and I was expecting this. So, and you know what, every single prop firm, not just Top Step, I think they're going to cap the withdrawals on the simulated account, and that's why everybody wants to push more and more people to a live account. For example, MyFundedFutures, I think next month, is going to come out with a new evaluation plan, which is going to, if you pass the evaluation, you're going to be pushed directly to a live account, not even on a simulated funded account. At least that's what the rumors are saying. Some tweets were there and some chat messages on Discord. MyFundedFutures is going to try to come up with an evaluation account, obviously with something that is profitable for them too, to push everybody directly into a live account after evaluation. Now that is something good, I think, and that is why, Top Step is doing these denials, and other prop firms too, sooner or later, because they are bleeding money if you're paying out people from the simulated funded accounts. That's it. So if you have a prop firm, for example, Bulenox, I'm sorry to say that, Bulenox does not have a path to live account. all they do is pay out people from simulated accounts. So they are heavily relying on evaluation account and activation fees. Which means, for example, there was the guy who built up 400,000 with Bulenox and he got denied. Obviously, I wasn't surprised on that. I don't know how they settled between each other. That was on social media. I guess they did some settlement. But please do not think that you can build up a capital on a simulated funded account. So if you make a few $1,000s, take it. and hopefully you will get to push to a live account with good conditions, and that's the future of prop firm trading, I think, in my opinion. So anyway, sorry, I'm way behind the chat. Let me go real quick. My favorite prop firm, Take Profit Trader, and MyFundedFutures right now, but I do like Apex and Bulenox too, and the others. Apex got ruined after the implement. Yeah. I understand, Michael, but yeah, they were also heavily relying on those accounts. Evaluations and activations. Waiting for two-stage will happen. Yeah, Martin. Tom Step was talking about other prop firms denying payouts recently. Yeah, it is what it is. Like, what can you do? Okay, so we took out this this high here. Quite interestingly. Are we going to go for the 70, I wonder? What do you guys think? Is this gonna... I'm gonna read the chat just a sec. Is this gonna pop the 70s? I think it will do. I don't know. Not sure. Anyway, let me read the chat. Yeah, but that's trading is... Yeah, exactly. Every time they make new rules, yeah. It gives the PTHD syndrome, right? Pretty sure FF on their live is daily payouts. Yes, I think they do daily payouts on live accounts. Yes, a good point there, Michael. Rule changes are usually against the traders. I know it sounds weird, but like every single rule change is against the traders. Almost no exception, you know. So just saying. It's always against the traders. Okay, so we took out this high. Let's see what's going to happen next. Dubstep felt like the only prop firm that was actually looking at live traders and making a complete opposite, promoting gambling. Yeah, that's also true. Like, why do you give cheap evaluations and letting people do everything while you cannot do anything on a funded account, right? That's a little bit of a gambling addiction build up there, to be honest. But you know. Oh yeah, nice win there. Gold moving. Let's see. Yeah, gold is a little bit picking up there. Now I'm just not sure about this NQ right now. Is this going to try to take the zone before the high, or what's the issue here? We'll see, I guess. We're very close to the upside. Casey has a bearish bias for NQ. Oh, thank you, Red. Sorry, I didn't read that message. Thank you, Red, for the support. Thank you, thank you. Oh, I wonder what's this gonna do here. If the 5-minute would close like this, that could be a possible reversal to take out that gap. A gap? Come on, man. The wick. Take out the wick. Is what I meant, but I don't know. That would be a daily low so far. So what's it gonna be, NQ? What's the plan? I would like to jump into a short. I still like the idea to go down to test the zone, which is basically below 98.50. So, you know. But who knows? If you look at the daily, I see resistance 230. Big red day yesterday, so I would expect eventually. Yeah, I that would make sense. Yeah, to go up there, reprice those levels. That's true. You know, just trying to go up. I don't know if 133 is coming, but there was a small fair value gap here on the 1 minute. Could be a nice short opportunity. You know what? Let's see. Okay, I take a short here, and let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I think it has the high chance that, I mean, it's a low probability, but I like the way that it wicked up there, took some orders. It actually had a shift. It had a market structure sweep. I mean, sorry, liquidity sweep, market structure shift. But then maybe retest the zone. But let's see. Only on evaluation account. Only eval. Eval only. Because I just don't know what the heck is going on here. Are you using Project? No, I don't use it. Yeah, I don't use Project X, but you know, more and more prop firms offering it. Yeah, it could be, Casey. I don't really like this action myself, and this is a little bit frustrating, to be honest. Yeah. I took this trade on a evaluation account which is in very bad shape already, and it's almost going to be rebuilt at MyFundedFutures. So what I can do is be super aggressive because I'm gonna get rebuilt next week. So I'm already in a drawdown on this, so I can try to be super aggressive, maybe full port it and just get another one, or I don't know. No, other platforms using it too. The only thing TopStep did is they put their logo, and I guess they paid for it, some license fee. That's all they did. Yeah, so I have two evaluations. One is in very, very bad shape. It's actually in a basically at square one, and I'm almost getting rebuild on next Tuesday or Wednesday. So I really left with like 2 or 3 trading days, and so you know, I can go super. Technically, I can go full porting it, because if I mess it up, I'm just gonna start again. And I might close this short. I don't like it. We're going higher. Let's see. I bought it for 97 bucks. So it's like it's a starter plus. I bought it for 97. Or starter? Is it a starter? I don't even know. I think it's a. Yeah, it's a starter. Sorry, 97. So, but I'm gonna do a new one as well. Either way. So if this one fails, I'm just gonna purchase a new one. And I really want to build up more MyFundedFutures accounts. Same thing with Take Profit Trader. Use volume trades for no, I'm not using the volume chart, but it seems like more and more people using it. Maybe I should. Oh, I see. To 169, it could go. Yeah. Yeah, so Akshay, on funded accounts, I usually try to go for example, on a 50K account, I'm usually trying to risk not more than $150 per trade, which means I trade with micros, so usually 2 or 3 micros, depending on where is the stop loss. You know, if you're in a New York session, price can move like 50 points in a second. So in New York session, most likely 1 or 2 micros. So I go with small risk on the funded. On evaluation accounts, I tend to go super crazy. I go absolutely crazy sometimes, many times. Unfortunately, bad habits on evaluations, but on funded, I'll try to keep my risk as low as possible. So that's the goal, actually. I think this one is going to go to the 173, and maybe pre-New York or New York kill zone session it might go lower to test the zone, but I just don't trust this move now. Okay, I closed the position. I don't trust this, so what can we do, right? What can we do? I have a Bulenox account which also needs like 280 bucks, 283 bucks to get $1,000 payout, so I'm getting close there. But I still have to trade 5 more days from the last cycle. Typically, how many days to pay out in 50k funded? Well, anywhere between 3 weeks to 6 weeks, usually, I think. So at least a month, sometimes 6 weeks. It sometimes took me 2 months to get a payout. But once you above the threshold, now that's where it gets faster. So for example, at Bulenox, you go for the 3600, you take out 1,000, and for the next $1,000, obviously you don't have to make another 3600. It should not take 2 months. So you should be able to do it in a month, 2 or 3 weeks. Now, if you have 4 or 5 of those accounts, you could rotate them for a few $1,000s per month, and I think that's a good goal. Yes, I think so, Ali. By the way, I'm going to end up having analysis paralysis. That's my issue. To be honest with you guys, I'm already having analysis paralysis right now. I'm already having that. So I'm not taking a trade here. Yeah. I mean, I have a rhythmic evaluation account with them, the Oriental. I'm still working on it. I'm still working on the day traders account, the tick traders account. In the background. The problem is also that I'm having too much accounts. I mean, too many different preferences. I like these preferences, but the ones I'm really good to go with is Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, Apex, and Bulenox. And I do like Tick Trader too, although I don't know what's the delay right now with the payouts. There is some delay in the payouts. Usually people are waiting for 8 to 10 days now. Used to be 2 to 7 business days. I don't know what's the issue. But I also saw people on Discord getting payouts, but I don't know. They're a little bit slow nowadays. I don't know what they're doing. So I made a mistake by trading with fast track trading, and I was trading with day traders. Sorry, not day traders. Profit trade. And I'm going to try to focus on the well-established ones, like Tick Trader. They are in business since a few years, and they have thousands of Trustpilot reviews as well. People were getting paid out throughout the years. I don't know why it takes them more than like 5 or 6 or 8 business days nowadays. Some people are waiting since 10 days. I don't know. But anyway. What news can you not trade? You can trade any news, Jason. That's the good thing. So far, Bulenox does not have a strict news restriction. At least not in their latest master account agreement. When I checked it, no news restrictions. You can pretty much do news trading as long as you're applying proper risk management. You know? So what they don't really like is if someone is like going in like full port, like for example on a 50k account 7 mini, you go in with 7 minis, you make like, for example, $1,500, and on the rest of the trading days until payout you just switch to micros or whatever, and you just try to flip the account with $50, $20, $100, whatever, until you reach the payout. They said this in an email. So they don't really like the gambling trader thing, that you make a huge win and then you just, you know, somehow scoop it all the way to the payout level. In the master account agreement, they say that you should use an average position size. That's it. The oil and Tic is drying up. Oh, they're established in Dubai. I mean, I checked their registration. Are they in Dubai originally? I need to check that. Yeah, maybe. So right now, what I might do, but the problem is we only have 35 minutes from the kill zone, and I just don't like it, is that if we slowly grind up there, you know, take liquidity, and then boom. This is something I would like to see. I still like the level down there. So even for later, I'm going to call it now. 22,100 is going to be an interesting level. Maybe most likely for the New York session. But I like to call this level out now, and because I think there is something there. There has to be orders. Maybe for later I try to do something. And this is what I mean. I'm glad I wasn't touching my funded accounts at all in this session, because I was so much attached to the idea. I had a good trade here, and I had a loss here. So on evaluations, I'm not gonna do anything else. I'm just gonna wait on the sidelines here, and you know, just wait. Oh, thank you, Flushy. Thanks for joining. Hope to see you next time. All the stupid excuses trading is trading. Most people lose if you, yeah. Trading's supposed to be a gamble. Yeah, I mean, trading is technically, yeah, it is a gambling thing, but you know, with precise rules, it's like, I mean, it's like with the professional poker players, you know. Professional poker players, especially online poker players, they also trade with a certain set of rules, you know. Most likely it's a mindset game. So I truly believe that with a proper edge, with a proper strategy, obviously there are many proof online that you can make consistent profit and money with trading. That's why I love trading. You have to apply with a certain rule set, you know. Price keeps hitting my TP and not filling my order. Oh. Mark 12. Wow, that's interesting, Steam. 169. Pass 2 combine. Nice, Farhad. Awesome. You're up on 2 XFAs. Congratulations. Akshay is also 150 away. Everybody's passing accounts, it seems like. Basically, yeah. Trading is predicting the future. Yeah. That's the reality. Yeah, that's true. And also, this is, something in the progress for me. I'm also looking to trade with indicators as well. I said this last year a couple of times. I do have a set of indicators. I'm still testing it. So I really like the idea, because the main reason I'm still testing indicators is because it takes out a lot of emotions from the game. For example, I wanted to go short here and it went up there. Now you can question yourself like, okay, I was wrong, I'm stupid, whatever, I did a bad decision. Now, if this signal would have been indicated by a set of rules of an indicator, obviously you should or would not beat yourself up too much on the bad decision because you applied proper risk management. Yeah, the signal failed, but you still applied with the entry rules. And you're not going to second question yourself about the entry, which is a good thing, I think. I have a strategy, but these platforms want these perfect traders. Yeah, something like that. Exactly. The dopamine effect, Fresh Delgado. The dopamine effect. You're like, yes, I made it. I knew where it was going. That's what I'm gonna do when the price hits 22,100 in the New York session. I'm gonna go into everybody's channel and I'm gonna say, I told you. Yes. Well, Jade, there is one more option. Nobody really talks about it, but I do, and that is to go right. And this one always, this is always correct. It should go right, and usually it does. Some people say that it could go to the left, but that's like, I never saw that happening in my career. But usually this one, it always works. The shiny paladin, hey there, hello. SMT is the key. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people likes to use SMT. Fresh Delgado seen it go to the left. All right, on replay. Okay, that does. Fresh Delgado seen one. He's seen a Sasquatch. It exists. Oh my god. Steam, well, I don't know what to say, man. I haven't even checked out wealth charts one time. I think you should. Is there a flat button? If you log into the website, on Apex, on the left there should be a flat all positions. If you click on that, there should be something I don't know if it works or not. Maybe it's not even working, but then ask for support. They should just close the trade for you if that is happening, or just close it yourself. I don't know. If you cannot close it, then make a screenshot and make them close somehow. That's what I would do. Yeah, exactly. The problem is we're pretty much just going sideways. Pretty much sideways action. But anyway. Ladies and gentlemen. Many issues, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you all, but I cannot take a trade in this. I'm super enjoying the company. You guys and ladies are awesome. I really like being here, but I'm not going to take a trade. I'm beginning to feel a little bit frustrated that we didn't go down there, and I don't know what the hell this doing. And we're almost at the 5 a.m. kill zone end, which is for me is the deadline to take a trade. I don't like to trade in between the two kill zones. And so Top Step started. Yeah, I heard about that. Twitter is getting filled up with those info, but I think, you know, it was expected. Shiny Paladin. Yeah. I'll try to. The thing is, today I have to bring my mother back from the hospital. I had to take her yesterday, and now I'm bringing her back home for the weekend. And I don't know. For me, it's gonna be in the afternoon, so I don't know if I'm gonna be here on time. Maybe a little bit later. Maybe I can start streaming at 10 a.m. If you guys would like to join me, I would be glad to have you. Maybe I can start a little bit later, so not at 9:30, but I can start, for example, at 10 a.m. or 10:15, and I can stay until lunch hour or something. I don't know, something I'm willing to just, you know, fool around with a few evaluation accounts. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do with funded now, but leg day. Oh yeah, I have to do the leg day. I skipped the leg day, by the way, so I have to do that again. Yeah, let's see. Give me my money. I'm gonna eat something really nice today. Thank you, Dark Cloud. I know. Yeah. So, you know, I'm gonna give you the advantage that it's gonna hit the 169. I think it's gonna go there. Incoming, I know. Anyway, thank you so much, everybody. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna take care of some stuff, and hopefully I can get back. If maybe not 9:30, then maybe 10 a.m. ish. Okay, I'll try to do my best. I love you all. Yeah. God bless you, everybody. And if you would like to support the channel, don't forget to use the code up there. It's good for most of these platforms. Some good sales are going on. Check out Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, Bulenox, Apex, Tradeify. I don't have a code, but if you click on my link, please click on the link first and use the current monthly code FAB, and some others. Thank you so much. Have a good one, you guys and ladies and gents. You are great community here. God bless. See you guys later.